Hey, it's another day and another, well, wasted hour and a half, I guess. Well, basically I was going to create an MX Linux 19 VM. Turns out I already did. And I cast about it and everything. So I guess I didn't have to do that. And the awesome part about it is that from start to finish, no VM to booted into MX19 was 17 minutes, so that's pretty good for me. Now what I got to do is stop recording all these videos and actually put some online. As I was in this VM, well, let's open that up actually. So here it is. I was just adjusting my clock down here. Now something happened to the clock that's on my current workstation I'm working on now, so not this, but this down here. I was in this VM and I noticed, oh yeah, that's right, I had this thing down here, and I was adjusting the panel and whatnot. I'm like, you know what, these settings work here, but they should work in my on my MX desktop. That's bare metal, it's not a VM. So yeah, I copied and pasted that in here, adjust settings, got this going. But what I noticed is some of these settings, I think part of the problem I was having yesterday and why I wasn't getting the results I expected was down here. Now, I had this set to color, because we are in America, that's how we spell color. However, I've noticed there was color. However the British people say color, because this is their spelling of color, C-O-L-O-U-R. So, emphasis on the extra U there. Oops. Now, that's all fine and dandy if you're going to keep it one specific spelling, especially in a single config file here. But look it over here. Like, it's spelled differently the American way in other settings. So it appears that this own window color is, yeah, this spelling is just for this. And that is just, come on, guys. And basically, this is the American popularity of the usage. Crap, I should have printed out or saved the UK one because it's almost inverted. Their color is actually becoming more, the American spelling of it is becoming more popular over in the UK. And whatever spelling you're going to do, pick and choose one, because this is way confusing. And to prove my point on how this is up here, I got default color outline here and default outline color UK spelling, and this one's going to be a red hue, you can see, and this is blue. So this is the one that's currently actually active. Well, this should override it. Now if I just do that, save this, I gotta restart. You can see it's red. So the UK spelling and color does not work up here. And then down here, the own window property. Oh wait, this is overriding everything. Alright, there we go. Now, go back here. And this is, I think, the one I wanted. So let's do this. Anyways, you get the gist of it. I've never seen that in a config file having two different spelling, but so watch out for that. And now I'm going to start another cast and go over how to create a disk image overlay for a VM. So this VM, I'm going to just run the, actually I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to run these updates. We got a lot of updates. Yeah, I haven't started, well obviously I think it's been since May, since the day I created it. So yeah, it's been sitting for 4 months. I'm almost nervous about upgrading MX Linux now because my other VM with the GPU pass-through, it just totally annihilated it. So after an upgrade, it wouldn't even reboot. Well, whatever. I'm just gonna upgrade everything. That is annoying too. When you're scrolling on a window and then it the window scrolls up. Like, we thought that was a good idea. Like this behavior. If you have the mouse cursor over the title bar and you mouse wheel up, it rolls the window up. It's just annoying because if you don't realize it, your window goes away, and sometimes if you got other windows open, this can get lost in the mix. Whatever. As long as it goes and it upgrades, I'm good with that. Because my next stream, I'm going to create a base image and clone it, and then use it. Use an overlay for any new VMs based off that base image. What that allows is just less disk space to be taken up by other VMs. In fact, I did that with back in, oh my god, was that, what? Wait. Seriously? Oh my god. There's been so many things lately where I look at something and it's like within the day. Like there was something about a month ago, me and Kate were working on something, and the last time we worked on it was like 2 years ago, like basically to the day, almost even I think to the hour. And basically this is, I came into the office about 10 today. So, yeah, exactly a year on. I'm basically going to do the same exact fucking cast I did a year ago to the day, because this one, surprise, surprise, has no freaking audio. It is short, though, however, and to the point, so I got to get better at that, because here I am again, rambling on and on, so enough of that crap, but God, time just goes by too quick. Anyways, that's my rant video for now. I'm just going to get more upset if I continue on ranting, because ranting doesn't get shit done. Just do it. Alright. Catch you guys later on the flip side. Yeah, watch out for those spellings, those colors, or however you want to say it. Till next time. See ya.